It might seem obvious, but there is actually a correct way to wash your face to keep it clean and healthy. So today we will show you how to use the Derma Essentia Hydrating Foaming Face Wash.
Let me quickly explain how to correctly use this product.
Of course, the times have already taught us this, so we needed to emphasize this point further.
When cleansing your face, start in a circular motion from the center towards the outer side. Nose and forehead need to be worked upon more because more oils are processed there. Cleansing must be happen for a minimum of 60 seconds for your skin to be thoroughly cleansed. After cleansing, wash your skin with room temperature water. Pat dry your skin with a towel.
The Derma Essentia Face Wash is formulated with natural extracts to exfoliate dirt and oils from your skin pores, keeping it clean and rejuvenated.